Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
What else? Anything I'm missing? I talked about the journals, so we have the whole journal collection. Check that out over at notaryeducatorsllc.com. We talked about the self-paced courses. Those are also on sale. If you don't want to do mentorship right now, no worries. And coupon code is WIN2025, and you get 60% off. And then really quick too, for my people that have to cancel the mentorship, you don't have to call me, you don't have to email me, you don't have to text me. Just cancel. The same way you enrolled yourself in the course, you unenroll yourself in the course. Okay, so we've been having a little confusion about that. Okay, we've been having a little confusion about that. We are not going to be canceling your membership for you. The same way that you clicked whatever time of day you did and you joined, you can unenroll yourself. Okay, and the instructions are within the email that I say save. Okay, I sent out a nice save email, so please check that out as you're signing up. Skylar says, how much insurance do you have? I have $25,000. I have 25. I've been working with that for 5-6 years. It's worked for me. I've never had anybody call me and say, how much insurance you have? Now, I always add this. If you are trying to work with the company and the company says, you know what, we want you to have ABC amount of insurance. If they require you to work, if they require you to have $100,000 policy, then if you want to work with them, that's what type of policy you will have. Okay, I've been able to work with that. My whole team only works with that, and I don't tell people what to get because that's a business decision, how much they want to have as far as their insurance is concerned. So I don't tell people, you know, you have to have 100,000. And don't forget, insurance, the title companies and all of them, not title, the signing companies, they have insurance also. So they're not just sending you out there to notarize documents, which they already know probably gonna be messed up. I hate to keep saying that, but it's so true. It's so true, y'all. I'm telling you, I see some stuff in these streets. I'm trying to work on a thumbnail while I was sitting here. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, so they're not just sending you out there to do $1 million property and they don't have insurance, okay? So they're covered, so but you need to be covered too. So you ain't driving no car without car insurance, right? At least I hope you don't. I don't recommend you do either, okay? So get you some notary insurance, okay? Please. I get mine right at the NNA. I think a $25,000 policy is $30. That's it for the whole year. It's worth it, okay? Charmaine, hey Charmaine Nichelle says, I'm looking forward to officially starting next week. My son was on spring break this week, so I couldn't join the Zoom calls. Oh, okay, Charmaine. Well, we will see you officially next week. I hope you can make it to the Zoom on Monday is our next one, okay? Our next one is going to be how to add field inspections. You may not be ready for that, but you can just still come, and we only talk for like 10 minutes about topic, and then the rest of that is growing your business. So hopefully you can get something accomplished between now and then, okay? And again, welcome to the program. We love having you. Okay. Hey Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath. everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Let's see, we got Skylar that says LOL. Oh, Lori's welcoming Charmaine. And Skylar says LOL again, thanks, I have 25. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, again, if you find a company and they say you must have, if they say you must have, $1 million, or you must have whatever, then get it. If you want to work with them. Now, just because they tell you got to have that, don't mean you have to work with them. Okay. Yeah. Just because they say it, you don't have to work with them. And I don't have anyone that's ever even requested that I have. I'm working on my thumbnail. Sorry. I don't have anyone that's ever even asked me to have more coverage. Okay. No. And like I said, they have insurance too, so it's not like they just sending me out there willy-nilly. Now, in my case, and I'm not above making a mistake, I made one, it's been about 6 months ago. I talked about it here on the channel, so I do make mistakes, y'all. It's rare. It's very rare because I know what I'm doing. But I do make mistakes, so I'm going to always have my insurance because anything can happen. I might get a flat tire trying to get back to, take my packages to FedEx or something. I missed a deadline. I mean, anything can happen. Skylar says this is awesome. You're welcome. My pleasure. When you get time, you think about it, get yourself together, join mentorship after you get all your ducks in a row. We love to have you. We love to have you. So we got a few more minutes together while I find me a fire emoji for my thumbnail here. Put a little fire on there. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Will do. Yep. We'll love to have you. Okay. Yep. Here we go. Put a little fire on here for the for my thumbnail. All right. All right. Oh, this is kind of cute. Jeffrey would be proud of me. He usually do my thumbnails for some stuff. But I usually do them all for my videos like this, and I'm not that creative. We each have our role to play. I am not that creative, y'all, when it comes to thumbnails and stuff. Not at all. I do the best I can. When I first started doing YouTube, I used to beat myself up. I'm like, oh, man. And then I realized, you know what, just stay in your lane, though. If that's not your thing, it's not your thing. And it's not my thing. I do the best I can. This is kind of cute, though. I got notary burning questions answered. Boom. Hope I got answered spelled right. I'm going to double check that right quick. I think it is, though. All right, what other questions we have before we get ready to get out of here? Anything else? Going once? Going twice? Yes, spelled correctly. What we got? What we got? What do we have? Anything else? Yeah, better come on. As soon as I get off the live, y'all got questions. I'll take 2 more. What time is it? Yep, I can take 2 more questions. And then I'm going to go and get myself together. I got to clean my tub. More information you probably want to know. But I got to clean my tub. So I think I want to take a bath. I love taking baths. Little information about me. I'm a bath person. I am a bath person. Now, sometimes I hate cleaning the tub, but it is nothing like unwinding, after a long day. For me, and I need to wash my face because I just finished walking too. Like, really wash it. I feel grimy. How do I join when I'm ready? That's a great question, Skylar. Yes, Skylar Funk. Yes. So you will go right over to notaryeducatorsllc.com. Everything we're talking about can be found over there. notaryeducatorsllc.com. If you've not listened to the podcast, you can check it out over there too. So everything we're talking about, though, is over at notaryeducatorsllc.com. Okay? Everything. And we'd love to have you. Put notary Q&A in the thumbnail. Actually, I'll put FAQ. That might be easily findable. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to bid you guys a good evening. And thank you for hanging out with me. Oh, you're welcome, Skyla Funk. We'll look for you. Okay. Yep. So all things notary, though, everything for real. General notary, loan signing, apostilles, wedding officiant, remote, how to price, how to market. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. What supplies do you need? Everything you need is included in the mentorship on the YouTube channel. We give it to you in all places. notaryeducatorsllc.com. Again, thank you for joining me this evening. On behalf of the team, I am Kimmi Nunley, your host. Okay? Bye, guys.